Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to track intermittent fasting with MyFitnessPal application. So let's get started. So basically this feature is only available for the premium members. You need to click on the more icon at the below right corner, and after that you need to click on intermittent fasting. So basically the intermittent fasting, it will track your fasting period. So here you need to click on get started. So here during the setup you need to choose one of the following fasting patterns that align with your lifestyle. So 12-12 is basically 12-hour fasting window and a 12-hour eating window. Same goes for 14-10, which is 14-hour fasting, 16-8 is 16-hour fasting and 8-hour eating window. You can choose according to your need which fasting you are doing and then click on continue. So here the next thing is you need to click start a particular time when you are starting your fasting, and based on your start time your fasting will start and end. For example, I'm choosing the time right now, so the fasting will end at 6 a.m. Then click on continue. After that, here they will give you the tips for the success for the fasting. So you are basically fasting for 12 hours and fasting break for 12 hours. That means you are eating for 12 hours. Click on let's do it. After that, if you want to track your fasting, what you can do is click on the diary option, and then right side of the fasting you will see three dots. Click on that and then click on fasting history. In order to review your fasting history, you need to follow the steps over here. Again, you can click on this fasting. So whenever you are fasting, just click on this start fasting, and then again it is started. So here you will see all the calories. You have to add your food which you have taken during fasting, and after the food allotted time you can track it and log it. Here you will see all the details. So this is how you can track your fasting. You can track the intermittent fasting with this application. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.